So, okay, so as I was saying, if you want to cut the two sleeves, you know we have the right arm and the left arm. So it's assumed that you've cut for one part. So let's assume that this is for the right hand. Okay, this is the right hand. Okay, now if you want to cut the other one for the left hand, if you cut directly like this, it means you have two right hand sleeves. I don't know if you understand. If you cut directly exactly the same thing, you're going to have two right hand sleeves. Why? Because you cut through. This is the right hand. So if you want to cut for the other side, because this is the right hand, now when you want to cut for the left hand, you flip it over. Okay, you flip it over, then trace exactly the same thing. Trace it all the way round. Okay, you just trace it all the way round. So by the time you're done, this part becomes the left hand side and this part becomes the right hand side. I hope I've been able to explain that well. So we are moving over to the bell sleeve. Now what do you need for your bell sleeve? Like I said, a bell sleeve is a combination of a basic sleeve and a circle sleeve. So what you need is your round sleeve measurement. My round sleeve measurement is 14 inches. Okay, here I have around 16 and a half or so. My round sleeve is 14, is around 7 inches, and I divide by 2. It is 7 inches. So it is 7 inches. Okay, then this is the extra 1 inch I added for seam allowance. Now when you are cutting for your bell sleeve, you exempt the seam allowance. You know why? Because to cut your belt, to attach your bell sleeve, you will first sew your seam allowance. Okay, to attach your bell sleeve, you must first sew your seam allowance, so you will be left with the actual 7 inches. So I've shown us the concept of getting a circle sleeve. So it's the same method for this part. The circumference we'll be using is a round sleeve measurement. So the round sleeve measurement we're using is 14 inches. Okay, now you divide 14 by 6.28. We are not we are already used to this. So 14 inches divided by 6.28 gives me 2.2 inches. Okay, so let's say, because from the sleeve length I use is 10 inches. Now maybe I want my bell sleeve or the extension to be around 5 inches or so. So I'm going to add around 5 inches to the 2.2, so which will give me 7 inches. So here I have 13 inches. So because I really do not want to use another pattern paper, let's say I use 4 inches for my sleeve extension. Okay, so 14 inches is our round armhole. Is our round sleeve. 14 inches is the round sleeve. Okay, then you divide 14 inches by 6.28 and it gave me 2.2 inches. Okay, then 2.2 inches is now the radius. Okay, then the sleeve length, the length for the circle sleeve, I said let us work with 4 inches. So you also need to add an extra 1 inch to make it up 5 inches. The reason for that is because you need allowance to hem the lower part of the sleeve. But because I'm working on a pattern paper, I'm not going to add that. But when you're working on your fabric, please do so. So this is now the bell sleeve length. Okay, so we add these two together, it gives us 6.2. Okay, so 6.2 is what we'll be working on. So I want to approximate this to 6 inches, but please work with your own. Okay, let me work with 6.2 so you don't get confused. Okay, now I've always said whatever you get from your radius, subtract 0.5 inches from it. So subtracting 0.5 inches from 2.2 gives me 1.72. Okay, so these are the parameters we are working with. I hope you will not get confused. So So what do I do? Let me use this other part. So what do I do? The length we now have is 6.2. So from here to here, I measure 6.2. Then I measure 6.2 again. Okay, so this is where I will fold from. Then from here to here, I also measure 6.2. Then measure it again. So I have around 7 inches here. So I'll just ignore. This is 6.2. So what I have left is about 1/4 of an inch. So it doesn't really need. So let me cut out. Right. So you know the way we fold over. So just note we are using 1.72 now as the radius and 6.2 for the length. So fold over, fold into 4, the first 2 folds, then the other 2 folds. We already conversant with this. So our radius is 1.72. Initially it was 2.2, but I subtracted half an inch, so I have 1.72. So this is 1.72. I'm going to measure it all round. So I measure it all around 1.72. So I need to get it here at the edge. So this is it. So I connect the dotted lines. We've done this before. Then the length is 6.2. 6.2 all the way round. 6.2. 6.2. 6.2. So by the time I also connect, I'll have this. So from here to here is the length, this is the radius. So I cut out. And I also cut through the radius. Okay, so like I said, you're going to sew your seam allowance on the basic bodies. So where I'm pinning is where you sew. So this is it. Let's assume that I've sewn my basic sleeve. So I will now attach this to this. Okay. This will rumple my sleeve, but this is it. This is what we have here. Just make sure that what you have here is 7 inches. Also that what you have here is okay. So you attach this to this, and you have your bell sleeve. You have your bell sleeve. Okay. So by the time you sew in your seam allowance, now if you're making a bell sleeve, you don't add 2 inches for seam allowance. The 2 inches we added here is just for our basic sleeve. Now if you are making a bell sleeve, after adding the ½ inch for joining, okay, you now add ½ inch, so that this ½ inch is what you now join the basic bodies to the bell sleeve. Okay, so I also said I was going to show us how to add joining allowance to your basic sleeve in case you don't add it here. You know, this is our joining allowance to join the sleeve. So I also said I was going to show us. So when you are done drafting your sleeve and you do not add joining allowance to this sleeve, you don't need to panic. Just add ½ an inch all the way round. Just add it all round to this point. Then you cut through this part, so it will serve as your joining allowance. That is it on the basic sleeve and the bell sleeve. See you next time. My name is Noya. Bye.